found a little vintage store. Okay, so we came to the grocery store. I'll do like a grocery haul whenever I get home, but I'm currently trying to figure out what like hair stuff I want to get, and I've got bread and Coke, and that's literally it so far. So I will show you guys the grocery haul whenever we're done. Okay, for my grocery haul. The grocery store, you have to bag everything yourself, and that was like Aldi. I haven't been to Aldi in so long. My grandmother loves it, but I haven't been in so long. But it was stressful, and you're supposed to bring your own bags, and we forgot. So I got the Conad shampoo and conditioner, which is like the store brand name. At home I use like Suave Natural, so I didn't know how to pick. But I was using my Google Translate thing the whole time to like read the labels, and I chose that one because it was just like for regular hair types, not like dyed or curly or anything like that. We got soap and fabric softener for our washing machine, and our washing machine is in the kitchen. Someone told us that we need to get fabric softener because we have to air dry everything here, so like to make sure that your clothes don't get stiff, because like at home we use fabric softener, but I don't at school. But we got some anyways, and we got like, we basically just got the cheapest of all the things, and like the groceries were really cheap. Like I got a bag of chips and they were only 65 cents. But this is also, so we got the like delicate laundry detergent and fabric softener. It's kind of difficult to understand because it's not in English, but it's okay. We got the cheapest pasta, or I did at least. This one was like 35 cents. I've never made pasta by myself before, but my roommate's going to help me. And just like the cheapest pasta sauce. It's probably not the best. We could probably have gotten better options, but that's what we went with. Okay, I couldn't find face wash that I would use because everything was either like a micellar water or like a scrub with like charcoal in it. So I just got the micellar water because I do have the Garnier one at home. They didn't have the exact Garnier one that I had at this Conad, but they did a different one. But I got the Nivea one instead. I don't know. It was the cheaper one, and I'm sure it'll be fine. I don't know what I'm gonna do for like actually washing my face yet. Also, I picked up Coke. They don't have Dr. Pepper here. Y'all know that I love Dr. Pepper and I need caffeine, and they don't have it, so I got Coke. What is this? Oh, wait. Oh, I was showing you guys, wait, shampoo. Oh, this one was the body wash from Conad, and then I got the shampoo and conditioner also because it was like the most natural looking and like made for regular hair types and whatever. So all the wine and stuff was like $3, so we both got like a pink rosé or rosado, and we don't know, we didn't know how to pick any of it. We just kind of went with like what was the best deal kind of whenever we were looking at things. So I also got mayonnaise to make sandwiches, and oh yeah, I got peach yogurt. I chose this one. It's like in a can, like someone made it because I thought it would be good, so I chose that one. I got peach. And then I also got fruit to put in it, so I got like a little pack that has pineapple and strawberries, so I'll just have to eat this stuff fast before it goes bad. And what else we got? So I got just like white bread, basic white bread. It's really cheap. This is a bag of chips that was 69 cents. Now feeling it, it feels like it's only full like down there, but that's okay, whatever. Prosciutto, I got 2 things because I feel like I put a lot of meat on sandwiches, and then I just got mozzarella sliced cheese so that I can make sandwiches. Okay, and then lastly, I just got us some paper towels because we weren't sure if we had any or not. And then I have my LDM folder from orientation this morning that I dropped all over the grocery store while I was trying to check out. And it was just difficult to check out because it went really fast and you had to bag your own stuff, and like she was obviously speaking Italian, so I didn't really know what to say to her, especially whenever she was asking like if I had bags and like all of that stuff. I was just like, no. So yep, that's what we got this time. We'll probably definitely go back, but it was really difficult to carry all that stuff home. We need to remember the other bags. We're now going to get lunch. Okay, but does breakfast mean you can't get it now, or can you still get it?
I think we should be able to.
Or they have a smoothie bowl too. They have toast.
It's cute.
I love the doors like open themselves. These little things, I see these all the time. I think I was thinking, let me get the menu. The menu's not. Okay. She took it. Just ate lunch, and now we're going to the market, but we found this pretty little place. Do you want me to take your picture? This is like a little cooking area that Emily will probably have a class in.
LDM, that guy.
You think they are? We're in the market.
Mercado Central.
Mercado Central. But it's like a little food court and it has this cooking area that Emily will probably have classes in, and we think that you can like sign up like as a regular person to have cooking classes. Like make Italian pasta. Yeah. It seems fun, and this looks like a really good place to like eat lunch. There's like a lot of different food court little vendors and whatnot. We already walked around once and I forgot to show, but yeah. Look at the colors.
And look at like the shapes. Like this is like
Hearts.
an elaborate heart. Like,
I get my Easy Mac. I got Monsters Inc. at home.
oh my god, look how long this spaghetti is.
So long. We're about to tour Florence for like the essentials, like pharmacy, post office. That's what they're gonna show.
Gelato, it is an essential.
They're gonna show gelato.
Yeah.
It is.
Well, I mean, it's an essential.
I mean,
so
but it's everywhere.
I would assume, but maybe they'll show us like the best one.
Maybe. I don't know. I feel like they're all equally good. Like there's all, no, but like everyone's saying that there's all these rules. Like if you can see it through the window, then it's not good. And if it has chunks in it, then it's not good. And if you can see it through the window, if it has chunks in it, like all these rules about how it's not as good. But we've had it both like out of things that you completely couldn't see and out of the window, and I didn't feel like it was that different. Yeah, the recipe's on the next page. Pizza with the chef from LDM, and it was back in the city market thing where we were at this morning with like all the different foods and everything, and he was talking about how this is some of the best food all put into one place so that you can try everything. So now we're over here at the gelato. I mean, of course we've already gotten it. I've already had it 3 times, I think, like since we've been here the past 3 days or 2 days or however long. Oh wait, I thought I already ate all of my cookie, but there's a little piece of it, or like waffle cone.
I know, you got a cone. Like,
I know, but I ate it. But I got the chocolate hazelnut and salted caramel.